Welcome to Fish to See. Well guys, welcome to New River, one of the most unique rivers in the world. We're out here doing some smallmouth and redeye, rock bass. I don't know, down here we call them redeye. So, but I got it on a beetle spin with a crawdad type looking jig thing. See if we can't catch us some fish. What a... I don't know about that, but... Calm down. This is increasingly aggravating. Now, if you'll give me a hot second, I'll get you. Real tiny one. There you go. Okay. First cast. Oh, jeez. They're hitting it, but they might be a little bit too small. Okay, let's go down the rapid. If I can get off this rock. And guys, that technique is called the hurricane. Did you just see how I went down the rapids?
Oh my God. No! No! Oh my God.
What did you do?
That was a 14-inch smallmouth. Oh my gosh, that was a good fish.
Got him. He's little. He wasn't getting off no time soon. He really wanted that. Pretty little fella. Oh my goodness. What a proud little booger. Oh my gosh.
Was that voluntary?
No. Look at the babies. Which they're not babies exactly anymore. They look like, ooh, there's a bass. Right there. Are the geese gonna go down the rapids? Oh, he wanted that. He's hooked 3 times.
Chunky.
Redeye. Finally. And here I go into the, look at me. Finally a smallmouth though. About cotton picking time. Come here. I really don't want a hook in my hand today, and my line just broke. Switched it up to a curly tail grub and white. But decent size little smallie. Let him go. Come on.
Oh wow, Karina, look, there's an otter
Where?
right up in front of me. See it going across through the water?
Uh-uh. Look at there.
Keep watching that water.
Oh, there it goes. Right there. Oh, there's 2 on the bank. Oh, little. just a baby. What is that? A beaver? Oh my gosh. Holy cow. Where'd it go? You seen it though, right?
Yeah, I seen it.
Was it a beaver?
Yeah, it was a beaver.
It scared me at first because it looked like a carp. I don't know. And I was like, wait, that ain't right. And then I noticed it had feet. Otters, beavers, and squirrels, oh my. There was a squirrel on the side of the bank, drinking. Probably one last redeye with the broken rod tip here. Did you just break it?
I just snapped.
Look how red those eyes are. Well, my rod is done. My reel is about done. And our exit is right up there. Not one of the greatest days on the New River, but you gotta think it gets hit every weekend and almost every day. This stretch in particular is super, super hard because it's so easy to float. It is a nice float. It's easy float. It's fun. And that's really all that matters. So we're gonna get out and head home. Hopefully we got enough here for maybe a little video for you.